Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. So, students, in our previous class, we have discussed about the chapter 15 biodiversity and conservation, in which we already discussed the levels of the biodiversity, in which we study the genetic biodiversity, species diversity, and the ecological diversity, and also the diversity in India. And also we have discussed about the levels of the biodiversity, in which the latitudinal gradients and the species area relationship we have discussed. So today's our topic is importance of the species diversity of chapter 15 biodiversity and conservation. So children, in this chapter, in this topic, we have discussed that there are the species richness contributes to the well-being of an ecosystem. According to the David Tillman, plots with the more species shows the less year-to-year variation in the total biomass. Biomass means total mass of the plants and the animals. Increase the diversity contributes to the higher productivity, because it is very essential for the ecosystem health and also the survival of the human race on this planet. Yet we know that the time when we are losing the species at an alarming pace, and one might ask the question that does it really matter to us if a few species become extinct? Because would the Western Ghats ecosystem be less functional if one of its tree frog species is lost forever? And how is our quality of the life affected it? Because we say the instead of 20,000 we have only 15,000 species of the ants on the earth. So we can take an idea from this example that there are no direct answer to such this type of questions, but we can develop a proper perspective, or we can say through the analogy of the Rivert-Poppet hypothesis. The Rivert-Poppet hypothesis, it is an analogy used to understand the importance of the biodiversity. It is proposed by the ecologist, Stanford ecologist Paul Ehrlich. In an aeroplane, all parts are joined together using many rivets, because in this hypothesis the aeroplane is, we are taking example of the aeroplane, and the aeroplane represent a ecosystem, and all the parts, many parts of the rivets represent the species. If the passengers pop a rivet, what happen? It may not affect the flight safety, because the pop of a rivet means the extinction of only one species. If there is extinct only one species, it may not affect the flight safety. Flight safety means represent the function of the ecosystem. But as continuously this happen, more and the more rivets are removed daily basis, then what happen? The plane becomes dangerously weak, and ultimately what happen? The loss of the rivets on the wings. Wings represent the important species, means the key species that drive the major ecosystem functions. So that it is the, if the losses of the rivets wings is more dangerous because to flight safety than the loss of a few rivets on the seats or the window inside the plane, because the Rivet is the removed also critical of the important places like the wings. So these hypothesis shows that the importance of the biodiversity and a proper perspective through an analogy of the rivet puppet hypothesis. So hope children this topic is clear. If any doubt you can write in query box, and today's your homework is to write down the rivet puppet hypothesis in your notebook from the PDF notes. Thank you children.